Morning, guys. Don't give up easily. Sometimes life is difficult. We all have dreams and we all want to succeed. But the road to success is not always easy. There are problems, there are failure, there are times when we feel tired or hopeless. But we must not give up easily. When we try something and fail is not the end. Failure is a lesson. It teaches us what went wrong. It helps us grow stronger and smarter. Every successful person has failed many times. They did not stop. They stood up again and kept going. Think about a baby learning to walk. The baby falls many times, but the baby does not give up. The baby tries again and again. Finally, the baby walks. In the same way, we must keep trying. It's okay to feel sad or tired, but don't stop. Take a rest, then try it again. You will win one day. If you continue, so remember, don't give up easily. Keep moving forward. One small step every day can lead to a big change. Stay strong, stay positive, and never stop trying.